मार्च के अंदर एक बिल प्रस्तुत हुआ, नेशनल इंसल्ट टू द ऑनर ऑफ एक्ट, और आप जानते हैं
आपका समय खत्म हुआ,
क्या प्राविधान किया गया
आपका
था?
समय खत्म हुआ।
उसमें प्राविधान किया था,
सागरिका घोष, श्रीमती सागरिका घोष, you please speak from your place. Your name is there, you speak, you go to your seat and speak. Srimati Sagarika Ghosh ji, please speak on the bill. Speak on the.
Where is the Home Minister?
Speak on the bill. Nothing is going on, but you are not interested in speaking. Shriman Tiruchi Siva, speak on the bill, please. Speak on the bill.
One. Sir.
Point of order.
Sir.
Sir.
Sir, this is a bill on the prevention of insults to national honor, Amendment Bill 2026, which expects every citizen not to insult the national honor. But the Home Minister who is in
Please,
charge,
no, nothing is
he should
going on.
pay
You are
respect
not
to the-
interested in speaking. No. Shriman Tiruchi Sivaji, you are not interested in speaking. Srimati Sulata Dev. Srimati Sulata Dev. Srimati Sulata Dev, please speak. Not present. Srimati Sulata Dev. No, you are not speaking on the subject. Shriman Gola Babu Rao. Shriman Gola Babu Rao. Shriman Gola Babu Rao. Yes, you go to your seat and speak. Go to your seat.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes,
This
speak.
is a very, very important bill. I request all the entire House members to honor this national song. Sir, I thank the government to introduce this bill. Now, sir, Vande Mataram means the respect for our local land, Indian land. This is founder of the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He's written this song, and because of this song, national momentum has gained and brought the independence. The independence is because of only this type of songs. Sir, in this connection, we are respecting Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. We are respecting Rabindranath Tagore. We are respecting everybody. But our nation has forgotten to respect the Pengalu Venkayya, who was the architect of national flag. National flag is also equally important. I request the government to move the bill like this and honor the Pengalu Venkayya. Pengalu Venkayya born in a poor Brahmin family in Andhra Pradesh. He was very famous patriot of India. Now the India has forgotten the Pengalu Venkayya. Pengalu Venkayya name should also be introduced a new bill and put a portrait in the parliament. This is very, very important request to the government of India. Now I request sir, the Pengalu Venkayya, even when he was in the trouble, his family is in trouble. Our honorable former chief minister, YSR Party chief, has donated more than 1 crore rupees to his family and members. Nobody could help that family. We are so grateful to honorable former chief minister of our Andhra Pradesh. He has helped the Pengalu Venkayya family. Nobody could help that family so far. So that I request honorable Prime Minister, honorable Home Minister, everybody in the government to bring a new bill like this national song, national anthem and national flag also. Flag is also very important. We should respect the national flag. And once again, I request the Home Minister, I request the Prime Minister to bring a new bill to this account and respect the Pengalu Venkayya's contribution to the national movement. And he was also very closely associated with Mahatma Gandhi ji and Jawaharlal Nehru ji and all the patriots of this nation.
श्रीमान रामजी लाल सिंह, माननीय श्री संजय सिंह, नॉट प्रेजेंट, प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार झा जी, प्लीज आप बिल पर बोले, रिकॉर्ड पे जाए।
मैं बिल पे
जी
ही बोल रहा हूँ।
बोले। बोलो।
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूं कि मेरे राष्ट्रीय गान और राष्ट्रीय गीत को आमने सामने खड़ा किया जा रहा है। सुभाष बाबू को नेहरू जी के समक्ष खड़ा किया। क्या कर रहे हैं हम? रेवरेंस कैन नॉट बी लेजिस्लेटेड। और आखिरी टिप्पणी करता हूं सर, हमने विद्यार्थी जीवन में, नड्डा साहब यहाँ है, हम नारा लगाते थे, वंदे मातरम, कर ले थोड़ी शर्म, वंदे मातरम। क्या ये इंसल्ट होगा? क्या ये इंसल्ट होगा? मैं युवाओं के भी हाथ पे पूछ रहा हूँ, वंदे मातरम, कर लो थोड़ी शर्म। क्या ये
नथिंग विल
क्या इंसल्ट?
नथिंग। श्रीमान रविचंद्र बद्दी राजू, श्रीमान रविचंद्र बद्दी राजू, श्रीमान रविचंद्र बद्दी राजू, प्लीज आप बोलिए, आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे जाएगी।
Prevention of insults to national honor amendment 2020 is a very good bill, sir. ये बिल जरूरत है सर इस समय में। सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ सर, ముందుగా ఒక విషయం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. దేశం గౌరవాన్ని కేవలం జాతీయ జెండా రాష్ట్రీయ గీతం మాత్రమే కాదు, ఇవన్నీ మన దేశ గౌరవానికి, స్వాతంత్రానికి, ప్రజాస్వామ్యానికి, ఈ దేశం కోసం ప్రాణం త్యాగం చేసి పోరాటానికి ప్రతీకలు. సార్ మన ఒక సాధారణ వస్త్రం కాదు, అది నేతాజీ సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్, డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్, అలాగే దేశం కోసం ప్రాణాలు అర్పించిన ప్రతి స్వతంత్ర సమరయోధుడి త్యాగాన్ని గుర్తు చేస్తూ సార్, మన జాతీయ జెండాలోని ప్రతి రంగుకు ఒక గొప్ప అర్థం ఉంది సార్. అది మన రాజ్యాంగ విలువలను, మన దేశ ఆదర్శాలను ప్రతిబింబిస్తుంది. 1971లో ఈ చట్టాన్ని పార్లమెంటుకు తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు లక్ష్యం ఒకటే, జాతీయ జెండా